Hello guys, it is Minecraft Life here today, and we are going to be doing episode 6 of Don't Press a Button. So as you can see, this is the fire exhibition, and just it says fire, fire, job, fire. Anyway, so yes, actually I should probably plug this in, so I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back here, and so yeah, this is the fire exhibition. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to press the button. Yeah. So yeah, you're just, no, we do not have a storage key anymore, so we're gonna have to get another storage key. So yeah, we're gonna have to get a diffusing tool in this episode. Yep. So yeah, if it explodes, it resets time, but I don't really think it does, because I've exploded it many times, and it never reset time. Okay, the library isn't locked anymore. So yeah, it's actually pretty dark in here. In fact, I will turn it up. I will actually turn the brightness to bright so you can actually see. And it's still pretty dark in here, even with the brightness set on bright. You're gonna get the Brewer of Fire, which can be placed on Soul Sand, which is your elemental key for this exhibition. This will now open the door. Let me change it back to Moody. Okay. And see, Soul Sand. So yeah, this is the episode. This is the night where I happen to well, mess up a lot. Let's just say that I happen to mess up a lot. So yeah, this night was pretty confusing to me, especially the night of death, which is I think the night after this, or maybe the next night. Okay, so we'll actually get to that in a minute. Okay, the Sacred Fire. Dang. Don't even know what to do. Okay, maybe we need to find another chest. Once again, I'll turn the brightness up. But I mean, seriously. Oh, I know what we need to do. Okay, well, I mean, that's something that we can do later. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just break this door to get where we need. Just now we have the storage key, and place it right there. So then, what we're going to do is, I believe we have to go up to the vents, but once again, not sure how to get up there through this. I mean, I know I need ladders, but or I know I need one ladder, but I know that you get the stone pickaxes, which can break shulker boxes, in here. And please excuse me for cheating. You can do it my way. You can do it the right way. My way is not the right way. But, like I said, I have not played this in a while. I played it back in 1.9. I mean, that was a long time ago, kind of. Anyway, or actually, okay, so this can actually break blue shulker boxes and orange shulker boxes. So yeah, you're gonna be switching a lot. And then where it said the lava pit, you can only throw shulker boxes in here. That's why, because you cannot have more than one shulker box stacked on top of each other. That's a pain in the ass. Hey, dead end. Dead end. Okay. I think that is, yep, blocked as well. I was never sure what you did with this in here. I mean, you know, I think it's one of the boxes. Yep, there you go. Break oak fence. Okay. That's why. Okay, never mind then. That is why I could never get past this level, because I could never find that. Okay, so then we need to go to the lava pit in the fire exhibition. Actually, while we're here, let's just go to the sacred fire, and let's burn the first book. And then the lava pit. See, you may only throw shulker boxes in the pit. This may take a while. And once again, in case you're wondering, I got the Spax PureBD Craft 128-bit texture pack. You probably already know that. It's a pretty well-known texture pack. But I will actually leave a link in the description for it. It's actually the PureBD Craft site. And even if you go to Planet Minecraft or whatever, it will take you to the PureBD Craft site. So, yes. Anyway, I think we gotta get to the vents. Just can't figure out where to go. Fine, we're just gonna go to the vents. Just gonna get some iron bars. See, I mean, I don't do it the right way. And I know I keep saying that, but I mean, it's true, I usually don't. I mean, I used to be able to do this just fine when it first came out, but, not anymore. It's just kind of confusing to me now. Okay. So yeah, that's how you get to that, but, you need to have a ladder that can be placed on soul sand, which I think you can get through here. No? Okay, well, already got that. Yeah, what you're gonna need, we've already got, something that can, well, we've already got, okay, you know what the nether quartz ore was. Well, we've already, like, got through the trapdoor through creative mode, but, yeah. Let's see, actually, I have an easier way. And, then you get through here. Okay, emergency glass breaker. And, then you have the buttons. It can be placed on a magma block. Then you gotta go through the vents. If I can ever find my way, it's like a freaking maze. Okay, there we go. Not the lava pit. Yeah, the sacred fire. Excuse me, they're actually called the fire buttons. Nothing in there? Really? Okay, well, nether star and a wooden pressure plate. Well then. Okay. Can be placed on a... Huh. Weird. And I can never figure out how to get through here either. Ah. Seriously, like, I have no idea. Well, I mean, the 2 episodes of this. So basically, just go into game mode 1, and then just break that. And then, night 6 complete. So yeah. This night, I believe, is a night of death. But basically, you're going to get a jukebox and an ender chest, which can be placed on stone. And then you have that, and our house is actually coming along pretty nicely. So yeah, it actually really is. Anyway, so yes, that will be the end for this episode. Just don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.